Here's our land in North Carolina. Today is day one of the installation of our driveway. Today's November 9th, 2021. Look how beautiful the leaves are. We are so excited to get onto this land. So we're having a narrow driveway put in with a small pad so that we can use it for boondocking with our truck camper in the spring and fall. Right now, the plan is to just have the driveway installed, and then next summer we're going to have a 3-bedroom septic installed so that we can have water and electricity for next fall when we get there. We're really excited. This is a dream come true for me. This has been 30 years in the making, and I couldn't be more thrilled with this property. Look how beautiful those trees are. It's gorgeous. Today is day one of the installation of the driveway, and as I get more photos and as time goes on, I'll post more videos. I'm in Massachusetts, but my thanks to my friends, they're sending me photos. So thank you. Thanks for watching Chatham Adventures, and stay tuned and hope to have a great day. Thanks for watching.